Hello my friend, today we got new toy, and as you see clearly from the text here, this is GoPro Hero 7 Black. So yeah, and as you see, this is not usual package it comes because this is the one I got from Costco. So now Costco selling in Canada, Costco Canada, probably Costco US as well, selling a package of GoPro with whole bunch of things included for $4.49. Not sure how much that's gonna be in the American dollars. Probably something around $3.50 or $3.99, something like that. So it's it's not bad deal in comparison because it has some extras, and we will see what kind of extras this thing include. Okay, so let's open. I'm not gonna reveal what extras this thing includes because I think that's gonna be fun unboxing video when you don't know what's inside. Okay, So in order to open the package, we have this removable strip, I guess. Or I can just... Can I do this instead? Here we are. I opened it. Ta-da! Okay, looks like this is quite a bit different from any other GoPros I had, and I sold all my GoPros and I decided to go with this one instead. Because quality of older GoPros were not as good as modern market demands, let's say like that. So instead of like having two subpar quality GoPros, I decided to sell GoPro 3 Black and GoPro Hero 3 and buy this one. It was about the same money, so I didn't really pay any extra for that essentially. So essentially I just upgraded. So and packaging is a little bit different because it used to be like a glass box, as you remember, and GoPro was sitting there on a special like stand, but now this is how it's sold, in a cardboard with all sorts of stuff inside, cardboard box I mean. And this is highly likely because this is like a package deal. It's not necessarily retail version of GoPro. This is special version, I guess. Maybe it's even specially made for Costco. But here we are. So right off the top we see GoPro Hero 7 and some manual stuff, which we obviously gonna chuck aside. So camera. Well, there are bazillion of people already done the review of the camera and stuff like that, so it doesn't really make sense to go over camera itself, but what I must say, it's probably a substantial upgrade from Hero 3 Black for me specifically. So, and actually it's way bit heavier than Hero 3 was. So interesting, but let's keep digging further. So what do we have else here? Nice shell over here. Then the next thing right see off the bat is like a carrier, like I don't know, it's a handle. It's a floating handle, so GoPro goes in here with the, I guess you have to attach the frame for it. So that's handy when you do water sports, just to keep it in this over your wrist and shoot some videos. Do you have anything else here? That's pretty much it, so we can safely chuck the box to the side. And this is what we have so far: camera and handle. So next gonna be a little box containing, I guess, some stuff. Let's pull it. This is totally look like a hat strap, which actually I do have one like that. I didn't sell it. I decided this is too precious to sell, so I didn't sell it with my GoPro. So it's nice to have two, so essentially, but well, I mean, I have only one camera, so maybe it doesn't make sense. Here we are, more stuff. So this is frame, which is necessary for the GoPro camera to be mounted to any of those devices. This is clip of some sort. I think this can be used to be attached to, like, you know, your baseball cap or something. Interestingly looking thing, but not sure what kind of usage I'm gonna have out of it. So this goes here. SD card. So this is SanDisk Extreme 32 gigabyte class 3 UHD-C, I guess, 3 card. So this is supposed to handle 30 megabyte per second write speed. So we're gonna test that separately. Gonna test that to make sure this card is capable, is writing 4K 60 frames per second, 78 megabits bit rate properly without any frame skipping. I'll do separate test on a computer to see what is the real and actual write speed. But essentially this U3 or U3 means here that this card is supposed to write at least 30 megabytes per second. And I think this is what this is, like 78 is kind of rolling around. So I will calculate actually real write speed on this guy actually as well. So this is good, but I do have a bunch of cards like that, so necessarily I need that one. So okay, this is definitely modified since what my GoPro 3 days. This is look a little bit different and looks pretty cool. Modern version of this clip. Ah, nice. So it's good to have, but not necessary to me. USB-C cable, GoPro branded, nice, can be handy for many other devices. Those I have a shitload actually. I'll show you something in a second. Okay, here we are. Adhesive pads and quite precious thing actually. Probably this is the second important thing in this package is the spare battery. I hope it is spare battery. Let me check. If it's not spare battery, it's not so much fun. I don't even know how to open this guy, I guess. Fuck, it's not spare battery. It is the battery. Bummer. So this guy will be even more heavier. I had the impression it's gonna be spare battery. I got tricked. Alright, anyways, it's good to have at least one battery, so I'm not sure, obviously, not sure what would be a runtime of this thing, but we will check. So anyways, that's what we have. GoPro, frame, head strap, battery, all sorts of jazz over here. So essentially extra things are these, probably that, I'm not sure. So extra, so this is probably a regular GoPro thing which comes with any GoPro no matter what, and this is extra. So this is extra. So this thing, the clip of some sort, the head strap and the SD card. So this is standard package, so they added that. Still not too bad, but I had the false expectation that this would have extra battery, which is super important. But in my particular case, the way I'm gonna run this camera, extra battery would not be as important because I'm gonna power this guy from external source. It's gonna be on gimbal, actually, believe it or not, and I'm still gonna do tests. It's gonna be on gimbal. And when it's going to be on gimbal, it's going to be connected to gimbal power source, and gimbal itself will be connected to battery pack. So I'm gonna solve the problem with battery this way. I think this is it as far as unboxing goes. Obviously there are a million tests online, and probably performance of GoPro Hero 7 Black is already well known and is decent, providing you have proper software and firmware updates, because apparently early version has shitload of problems, all sorts of problems all the time. So I hope this version is updated, otherwise I would have to manually update it to the latest version. I think that's gonna be it. That's enough of unboxing. Sometimes those videos can go pretty boring, but here we are. This is the package which sold in Costco. This is what it has. Take a look yourself and make a decision. Do you need it or not? I decided to go for it, and I'm probably gonna keep it. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and see ya next time. Here's the bonus video for you guys. You can make as many as you want, those simple things, if you have 3D printer.